Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can fix a corrupted Excel file really easily. So first of all, let me just show you my Excel file which is corrupted. So here in new volume E I have my corrupted Excel file. Let me just open it and show it to you. So I'm going to click here yes, and there you can see this is the corrupted Excel file and this file is totally unreadable. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this corrupted Excel file. So you need to make sure that you have closed your Excel. After that, you need to go to your browser. Just go to any browser. So I'll choose Google Chrome. And in the search option, I'm going to search for Stellar Repair for Excel. Then I'm going to press enter, and here you can see Excel Repair tool to fix corrupt Excel files. So you need to click here, and here it will take you to this page, and I will also give this page link in the description. Just check it out, and here you can see free download button. If you just click here, it will download a exe file. I'm going to click on download, and here you can see a exe file is downloaded. So we need to double click on this downloaded file, and it will show you this. Okay, let me just minimize it. And here you can see next button. Just click on next, and you need to accept the agreement. Click on next, and here you can choose where you want to install Stellar Repair for Excel. So just keep the default location, then click on next. Click on next again and create a desktop shortcut. Select this, then click on next. Then click on install. It will take a few seconds to install, and it's done. So right now, if we click on finish, it will launch the software. There you can see. So right now, here you can see select file option. I'm just going to close this for now. And if we now click here, select file, it will show you this. So here, just click on browse. And from here, you need to choose your corrupted Excel file. So the corrupted Excel file is here. And here you can see the Excel file corrupted. I'll just select this, click on this, then click on open. So there you can see the Excel file is selected. Right now, what you need to do is that just select the file and click on repair. So once you click on the repair button, here you can see repairing file in quick scan mode. And if you go down, you will see a log report as well. And there you can see it is complete. So right now, okay, let me just show you at the bottom, there you can see status file repaired successfully. And if you now just click here, it will show you a preview. And right now here at the top, here you can see save file option. If you now click on save file, so here you can see you can save the file in default location, and you can also save the file in different location as well. So for it, just click on browse, and let's say I'll choose documents, then click on OK, then click on OK as well. So it will save our corrupted file in the documents folder. Click here OK, and right now we'll go to our folder, and we'll go to our documents folder, and here you can see repaired on file. So let's just open it. Let me just double click here, and there you can see our corrupted Excel file is repaired. So this is how you can really easily fix your corrupted Excel file using Stellar Repair for MySQL. It is really simple, and it just took a few seconds to repair our file. So I'll also just keep the download link for this in the description. Just check it out.